We're going to install the gear shift knob and the boot cover on Snazzy today. We're going to replace the shifter, this right here, and this is the way it's going to be positioned. And we're also going to mount this boot over it. So we need to do that first. We need to insert this down in there. So it's kind of some elastic there, so it's going to be a tight little fit, but it's going to go up to this collar around there. So let me see if we can't do it. So we just kind of stretch and pull, and I've got her over. Then from underneath I just kind of push it up until it reaches this point right there, and we'll kind of line the stitching up a little bit. There you go. Depends on how we want it, just about like that. Okay, now we're going to remove the rubber boot here, because we got to do that, and it just kind of pulls up and around. Yeah, okay, there we go. So you kind of pull that up like that, and see, you can't see it from over there, but there is a, looks like an Allen. I'll give you a different look. This is an Allen bolt, and it's a 5mm. And you would just simply go in there, and you're going to loosen it. Boy, that is something else. Okay, I'm gonna have to get some leverage on that. Let's come back, because it's a little more than my fingers can do. Okay, folks, you're going to have to get down as far as you can. There's a nut driver that will work, and I've gone down a little ways, and now I can probably take this loose and loosen a little bit more there, and there we go. So now it's looser, so I can kind of work with it. Okay, so you just kind of keep moving it back and forth. Probably if I had a ratchet type would be better, but I don't have it, and you probably don't have it, so there we go. And I want to try to do it the way most of you would have to do it. I think I may have to invest in some little sockets, Allen sockets. That would be the best. And try to avoid messing your side panels up. So don't let anything slip. I took this out a lot farther than I really needed to. If you look down in there, I have this. I could have taken this out just by lifting up if I would have tried. So I'm advising you, as you unloosen it, pull up on it. Chances are, I probably didn't have to make 10 of those winds, or turns. So keep that in mind. This is the first time I've done it, so you're learning from what I'm experiencing. That's the whole idea. Once this is removed, then you want to take this nut out and take it all the way out, because what you're going to do is install it in the new shifter, okay, in that location. So I'm going to take it out, And let's see how hard. It's going to be a job, so I'm going to use my tool, and I should be able to just pull this down and go around and around like this and get it to come out. So if this is the tool you have, it will work. Just be patient, and everything will come out good. Once you get it to a certain point, then turn it around so you can twist it on out of there. Right there. Okay. I got a feeling they had Loctite on there. If you have Loctite, it's always good to use it, but I think I'll be okay. There's enough in there. And I'm gonna just screw this right in there. Oh, this goes a lot better. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna screw it up to where it's flush with the slot there. And you might be able to see it right there. I'm gonna do it to where I think it's as close as I can get it. And then we're going to pop this baby over there. And looks like I need to go back a little bit. I went too far. And let's see, right there. Okay, now it's a matter of tightening this baby up, and it's going to be much easier. And go the correct way, and you can just kind of work it around. Yeah, this one, the new one, is a lot easier to turn. Okay, I want it tight. Nothing like a loose gear shifter to make you mad. So I'm gonna tighten her up. One more tightening, and I think I'll be where I need to be. Okay, right there. Okay. I feel confident that's going to stay and not be a bit of trouble. And now we have to put this part down underneath there, and we've got it. Let's see. That looks like the way I want it. And so you can kind of tuck this under, get the back, or actually I'm going to try the front part. I'm going to stuff it down in there and just keep pushing, poking, and get all the edges in there until it's all the way in, all the way around. There. Oh, much better. Look at that baby. Woo! Hot doggy. Yeah. Oh yeah. What do you think? Pretty cool, huh? Okay, you may want to try this. You see how to do it, and it shouldn't be too hard. If you want to invest in a 5mm or actually a Allen set of sockets, might be a lot easier, and I may go to that, but I'm sure a lot of you, this is what you have, and I wanted to show you how to use the tools that you do have. Okay, all right, good luck on your installation. There we go, the shifter knob and the boot installed in Snazzy, and I am impressed with the look, and I like it.